Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a voiceover and I'm gonna get started. Sorry, I still need to get better at doing intros and outros, but I will get better at that. So I'm taking my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, the purple one that's called, let me see. I'm not really sure what it's called. Oh, it's called Bling, and I'm taking the shade y'all saw me pointed out was Hush Hush, which is, it looks taupey right there, but yeah, it's like a light purple, and I'm just putting it on my crease and blending it out, and I take my time with it, so y'all should too. I guess if y'all want. And I'm still just blending with a Morphe brush. Then I'm taking the shade Rockstar and I am just putting it on my outer crease and slowly, like really slowly, making it my way to all of my crease. The other shade, Hush Hush, was for transition, and then this one is just for all over the crease. So yeah, and it's called Rockstar, like I mentioned, and it is like a dark purple coloring. I pack it on, like I pack and then I blend, because for me that's easier. That's how you get the pigment as well. So yeah, and I'm just blending and blending and blending. So yeah, and sorry for the camera, it has autofocus, so it will just like focus on one thing and then not on the other, but I will get better at that. Then I'm just going back and blending with Hush Hush, and then I'm taking Rockstar again and packing it on and blending it out, of course. You're gonna see me just doing that because that's the color I have for all over. That's the most important one for me right there, which is the Rockstar shade. Sorry if I'm rambling. This is my first voiceover, and yeah, I will try to get better at this. But yeah, all the brushes I take that I'm using are Morphe brushes. Those are some of the only ones I use. They're really good and not expensive. So yeah, so I'm just doing that. I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape now in light, shade light, and I'm doing a cut crease because I love doing cut creases for my eyes, especially. Like my crease, as you can see, is like really close to my eyebrows almost. I don't really have that much space, but I work with what I got. Then I'm just taking a Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, which is so old. It's one of my first brushes I ever got, and I'm just cutting the crease. And sorry if I sound ronca or like I'm out of breath. My bad. I will try to get better, as I said. So right now I'm just making ojitos. I'm still cutting the crease. Still cutting it. So yeah, and I do my eye makeup before my face makeup, which is why you can see like I am white for my eyebrows. But yeah, it's because I do my face makeup after. Because for me, it's just easier that way. Now I'm taking the color Mystic, the shade Mystic, which is like more of a darker purple. You're gonna see me just placing that on my outer V, and it's just gonna be there. That one's gonna mostly stay there, like the outer V. Oh my god, I'm sorry I burped. Oh my god. I am me. Not doing a voiceover right. But I'm just packing and blending the color away. And it really gets dark. It's really a dark purple. So yeah, it looks like a deep burgundy in the palette. So just taking account of that. Now I am using my ABH Sultry Palette in the shade Cyborg. And it's really like a platinum silvery color. It's really beautiful. And it's so soft and buttery. And then I'm just taking it with my cute nails and then placing it on my lid. And then just with like a small little detail brush, I'm just going in and filling out the top of the crease, because it's really hard for my eyes to do like all in one. It's kind of complicated. But yeah, that is what I'm doing right now. And just let me know. I'm just doing that right now. But let me know if, I don't know. Actually, I don't even know what I'm saying. But yeah, sorry. And it looks super cute, you know? I don't know if I should do more like a face makeup. Just like focusing on my face makeup because it kind of looks so cute. I'm not even gonna lie. I like found out products that I love using. So yeah, let me know. And then right here, I am doing my lower lash line, which is not my strength. It's one of my weaknesses. I struggle a lot. My eyes get super watery because I just don't know. As you can see, like really trying to focus. I'm like, ah. So yeah, I'm barely like still getting into it. There's points where I'm like, oh my god, I'm into my lower lash line. And then some where I'm just like, no. So I'm just taking all the shades, I believe. Because, yeah, except Cyborg. But I'm just taking all the shades and I'm blending it. Yeah. Then that's the finished look. So, yeah. Oops. Quisiera ser como tú, cause I'm a rock star. I can see you watching. What the fuck? Cut. Okay. Cut.